What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this Rain X. I featured Rain X on the channel before when I used it for the waterless car wash, and it repels very good. Actually, Rain X is a very good brand, you guys. And we definitely going to put that brand to the test, especially today, because we have tree sap on my mom's Malibu. This is a 2015 Malibu. We just got done changing the brakes. Tree sap right there. And here it says bug, tar, and adhesive remover. Right there it says clean and remove bugs, tar, sap. So that's the main thing we're looking for. So we are going to go straight to the directions because I don't know what to do. So we're going to figure this out together. All right, spray directly onto the contaminated surface. The last one they're trying to promote, you guys. So we'll stick with the first two at least, or the first three. It says gently wipe surface using the microfiber towel. All right, we're gonna do that anyways. So number two is going to be very important. So it's already off. We are going to put it on. So it's on, and then off again, on. So we just leave it like that. We're gonna test it out. So we're gonna spray. All right. Spray the contaminated areas. So someone had my mom's car and they parked under one of those pine trees. You know, pine trees have a lot of sap in it. So right now we are going to test this out. A few spots. And we're gonna see if it works. I believe it's doing something. And tree sap is very sticky, you guys. Once you get tree sap on your hands, it's a wrap. Ooh, and this smells good. And how long it said again? It says for 1 minute. All right, so let me look for my microfiber towel. All right, you guys, so it's been a minute. So let's go ahead and wipe it. So I still feel a little bit of it. All right. Oh, but it's coming off though. You gotta rub it in really thick. Well, rub it in hard. All right, that ain't bad. Hopefully it didn't mess up the paint. Do that again. Check over here. So it's doing something, that's for sure. But you definitely need a lot of elbow grease for this. Got sap. Well, you guys don't park under a tree. It will ruin your car. I think you're gonna need some water. Yeah, it's coming off. Yeah, definitely coming. Yep, it works. It cleans good. Wow. It got that part off right there. Now we still have this little stupid part right here. So this is a job in itself, but it's coming off. So there you go. Now I think it seems like it did something to the paint right there. So y'all can see that, unless that's just the stain from the sap. But yeah, so you guys be careful how you park your car, where you park your car. You could do damage to the paint. Yeah, so you can still see the sap marks. All right, it's not a lot of sun right here, I know, but you see right there, sap mark. Now it's gone now, but yeah. All right, so I'll let her know that once I get that done, but this stuff works, all right? Like, it really works. And don't touch it either because it feels weird on your hands. You might want to wear some gloves. All right, I'm gonna spray it, let it sit for a little bit. And it's not too much sap, but it's sap right there. You rather have bird poop than sap. All right, you guys, so I let this one over here sit a little bit longer, and it's coming off better than the other ones. Let me back y'all up some. All right, so I let it sit there for a little bit more than 1 minute. Spray the contaminated areas. But I took one off right here. But yeah, this basically, we'll see what happens when we wash the car. Got one good area right here. We'll come back to that. Spray it, spray it, spray it. Get all the spots. It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Did I get this? No. Oh, that's sap. That's definitely sap. Yeah, wear some gloves, you guys. Because sap is sticky and this stuff, this chemical is sticky too. Not really sticky, but feels weird on your hands. All right. Going to let it stay on for a minute and then I'll chime y'all back in. All right, you guys. So we basically let everything stay on for over a minute now. And wow. So the longer you let it stay on, the better. Wow, it's coming off. Got stubborn. Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. All right, that might could do another load of it. But it's coming off. We sprayed right there. It's basically gone. Get those spots right there. Okay, that is the aftermath. So that's good. That's the aftermath right there. You're gonna get markings on your car, you guys. Just like that, little shadow marks. It's not too bad, but you know, you're just gonna damage your car. All right, you guys, and let's see. Our spots was right here. It's starting to go away now. But yep, if your spots don't go away the first time you rub, give it another spray. So that's the key to this stuff. But this stuff works. Oh, I missed a spot. Those were the sap spots, okay? Now it's flush. I'm ready to put this in some soap. And I'm not gonna clean the whole car, you guys. I'm just gonna wipe the hood. Oh, now I see where I missed a spot. I'll clean the car when she bring it back. Oh yeah, it's coming off good too. Nice. This is nice, you guys. Oops. All right. All right. Man, it's looking good. Not gonna lie. Now I'm doing the most. All right, so that's that. Just wanted to show y'all that. Now let me rinse it down, do the final, and that will be it. Man, it looks good now. I'll do this one yet. Oh, come on. Wow, you guys, the hood looks good. That's it, you guys. The sap is gone. Sap is all gone, all the way through. Oh, I touched this with my dirty glove. Oh, well, the cold card need to be cleaned anyway. But the sap is gone, you guys. No, that's nothing. All right, so that's it. Product works. I mean, it really works. I might feature it again when I clean the rest of her car. I will feature it again, but that will be it. Nice pick for the thumbnail, about right there, right? All right, you guys. So that will be all. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to y'all as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.